Thinking of applying to medicine in the UK? Here's what admissions teams are really looking for and how you can stand out.
First, academic excellence. Top grade
A+ or A
in chemistry is mandatory. Math is highly regarded, followed by biology or physics, depending on the university. Most medical schools expect you to take an aptitude test, UCAT, or BMAT during the summer, a year before you apply. Admission tutors want to see your genuine motivation and sympathetic approach to people and the community. This is demonstrated through social work, helping the disabled, caring for the old, helping children in need, mentoring and first aid training. All real patient experiences reflecting that you understand the human side of medicine is extremely important. Your personal statement should be sharp, honest, and evidence-based. Show resilience, empathy, and a clear understanding of healthcare. And yes, interviews matter most. Admissions need to find out about your character and mental strength to ensure you are fit to be a doctor. Practice ethical scenarios, communication skills, and how you handle pressure. Be prepared to be asked for your opinion on medical issues like abortion, euthanasia, organ donation, etc., to determine your awareness, independent thinking, moral values, and ethics. You may also be asked about some recent breakthroughs in medicine. For this, you must read and stay up to date on current medical developments. Not sure if UK entry is the right fit? We can also suggest alternative medical schools around the world that match your background and budget without compromising your dream